What Tanner means to me, I could talk a long time about different facets of that, but for the use of brevity, Tanner means everything in the world to my family and to me. We've lived here now for 56 years. I've been retired, I guess, for 19 years, I think. It's just been a real joy, is the best word I can think of, to deliver these babies, 40 years ago, and even to this day, see them on the street or see the mother on the street in a town this size, where when you do go out into the community, people recognize you, you recognize the people, and they tell you about these experiences from many years ago, and so it means the world to me. It really does.
So what does Tanner Health mean to me?
Tanner Health means a lot to our family. We've been in this community almost 52 years, came here to go to school at West Georgia.
Tanner Health means a lot to myself and my family.
We experienced Tanner Health in my young days playing church league sports.
I've had such a great experience with Tanner starting over 45 years ago as a college student coming here. During that time, working third shift as what you call an orderly back in those days.
We have lived here for a very long time, as my dad started the orthopedic clinic years ago.
When I talk about Tanner, I often think of the support staff. Late in the middle of the night, 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, when things would just be going haywire in the labor and delivery suites, all of a sudden extra nurses would appear.
Personally, they helped me usher my youngest daughter into this world.
I experienced that ER. Both of our children are born at Tanner.
I've been so fortunate to serve in a number of capacities as a community leader and volunteer, including the foundation, and now a member of the board.
That's dedication.
Tanner has met the needs of my immediate family, extended family, friends.
Tanner has been very good to my mother and father, as well as all of our family.
From a healthcare perspective, we've watched Tanner grow as we've watched this community grow.
Tanner holds a very special place in our heart.
To see Tanner grow and develop to where it is today.
We're so proud of Tanner, and we're delighted to celebrate the 75th anniversary.
This photo sums it up. These are my 3 kids, born safe, healthy, and happy in a Tanner facility by a Tanner professional, and I'm so grateful.
Having worked at other healthcare systems throughout the country, I have experienced and understand the uniqueness and completeness of Tanner Health. We are truly a community healthcare system that is taking care of our community. Our decisions are not outsourced to New York or Nashville or North Carolina, but our decisions for local healthcare services are made right here by our board of directors in response to the needs of our community.
Taking care of friends and neighbors is very important because it's a personal connection to the people who live around you versus not knowing who they are. You still do a good job and patients respect you and want to come to you, but to be able to provide that for your community where they know you on a first name basis, to me it's priceless.
We have everything you need, plus the small town personal touch of being in a community.
The main thing, it means immediate health care. We've got all the specialists right out here in Carrollton, and the doctors are coming out here and living in this West Georgia area. They like it better. They don't have to go through the traffic. The Carrollton community is great.
My wife has been treated for breast cancer, and I also have been treated for coronary heart disease, and both of us have had successful outcomes, which we are blessed to have had.
To me, Tanner Health is really summarized in one word: family. On a personal level, I've had the honor to deliver all 3 of my children at Tanner Medical Center Carrollton, and there I experienced the warm compassion of the nursing staff, the incredible communication and care of the NICU team, and just felt an extreme confidence in my physicians. Then, as I continue to feel that confidence now as they help my family and I navigate our health and wellness.
Everybody likes to feel secure in their life, and Tanner meets our needs in every aspect that I know of. I really feel like that Tanner has saved health care for our community.
A vital healthcare system means everything to a community like ours. When I think about healthcare and I think about growing a family in this community and I think about industry, I think about Tanner and I think about all the industries that are growing here. And it's exciting to see when both healthcare and industry will grow together for a more generationally sustainable future.
As a Senior Vice President for the Chamber of Commerce, it is so important to our organization that we have a strong healthcare facility in our community, and Tanner is just that.
Tanner is the economical engine to the whole county and this region. Without the growth and the job that Tanner brings to this community will not be prosperous as it has. Tanner brings a number of doctors here into our community, and that creates job and growth.
From an economic development standpoint, from a healthcare standpoint, Tanner is incredibly important to this community.
As superintendent of the city school system, Tanner is a crucial, integral part of what we do, from internships with our students to professional development with our staff. Tanner has been with us from day one all the way through, and we are just very, very grateful for the opportunities to partner with Tanner and also to take guidance from them as far as health initiatives and with our curriculum as well.
Not only does Tanner provide excellent health care, but they are such a community partner for everyone in the community, from our schools to our nonprofits, and Tanner's always there to provide the assistance that we need in our community.
Tanner really means home to me. I grew up here. I came to Carrollton when I was about 7 years old. And my dad was also a physician here, so I distinctively remember going to the hospital with him some weekends and walking around and following him. It very much feels like home.
The thing that makes me most proud about Tanner is not the buildings or the pretty flowers out front or even like our shiny new equipment. The thing that makes me most proud about Tanner is the people that I get to work with every single day. There are so many wonderful people with unique skill sets that just have a heart for our community and our patients, and it just makes me so happy to know that I'm a part of that every single day.
For me, Tanner is my chance to make a difference, to be that positive change that I want to see in my community here in West Georgia.
After being here for almost 18 years, I feel like I'm part of the community. These patients that are my friends and colleagues are a very important part of my life, and to be able to serve them is a great privilege.
Hosanna and I love visiting the patients, but seeing the staff and their excitement as we walk in the door, it's also very rewarding to know that we've brightened their day as well.
Professionally, Tanner means a great deal to me, as they have provided a great working environment for me to advance my career and build a very great practice, working in close collaboration with them.
The environment, the surroundings, the people who work there, they get the A+ grade from me.
Tanner has taken care of me. They have been my home away from home in terms of my professional life since I came here, straight out of my training. They have provided for me, they have taken care of me, and I don't think that's something that I could get in any other healthcare system.
I am incredibly proud to be part of the Tanner team. Tanner was built by the community, it's led by the community, and it focuses on serving the community. What is more powerful than being part of an organization that recognizes every day the power of community? When we come together, we can have an incredible impact. And I love being part of that village that Tanner leads.
Tanner Health to me means the utmost care and service to our great residents of Carroll County.
Having Tanner Health in our community gives us confidence, not only that we have a great healthcare system, but that we have a place that our loved ones can be taken care of, and we have a place we can believe in.
Tanner and the community have literally walked hand in hand together for the past 75 years.
Tanner Health, your care redefined.
Tanner Health, your care redefined.
Tanner Health, your care redefined.
Tanner Health.
Tanner Health.
Tanner Health.
Tanner Health.
Tanner Health, your care redefined.